Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 25 to October 1, 2023. I hope you are all doing well, strong, and healthy. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, let us see the energy of Scorpio. Ano yung energy nyo for this week? Ten of Wands. Ang dami nyong kailangan gawin. Ang daming load. Oo. So, but kahit na marami kayong kailangan gawin, fully booked kayo, you can definitely handle this, no? Yung iba, pagod pero kaya, push lang, ganon. Maari ring marami kayong responsibilities, maraming kailangang asikasuhin. You're going to be very busy. Okay, so this is your challenge, the Empress. Okay, so since you are very busy, I think medyo kinukulang kayo ng oras at panahon sa inyong sarili, yung pag-aalaga nyo sa sarili nyo, because the Empress is about taking care of yourself. This is self-love, self-care, because this is Venus energy. And, 'di ba, importante yung kalusugan natin. Oo. Na, yes, okay lang yan magtrabaho, pero dapat, rin, yung tama lang, no? And this is also, a reminder para sa inyo na alagaan ang inyong sarili, lalo na yung mga buntis dyan or meron kayong mga mahal sa buhay na buntis tapos nagtatrabaho rin, no? Habang buntis, nakakapagod yun. So syempre, kung meron kang kamag-anak or mahal sa buhay na buntis tapos nagwo-work, you also give them support that they need. So, let's see naman ang inyong opportunity. Ano yung opportunity for Scorpio? The Fool. This is freedom. This is also a new beginning. You may be taking a risk. Pero itong risk na to na involve is, I think this is a positive beginning for you. Parang mas ka ngayon, carefree, careless. You have the opportunity to start something new. Okay, Scorpio. Let's see ano tong sisimulan nyo. What is this? Starting something new about yourself, no? This can be a project para sa sarili mo. That can also mean taking care of yourself. So, ayun na. Yung challenge ninyo is to take care of yourself, and your opportunity is, I think, mas magkakaroon ka ng oras at panahon sa sarili mo. May isip mo yan. Kailangan mo ng alagaan ng sarili mo. Treat yourself. And then, this is your blessing. You have the Hierophant. New knowledge. Maaring may bago kang kaalaman na aaralin, i-research. This can also mean mentorship. This is also someone na may mataas na katungkulan sa lipunan, sa trabaho, sa career, no? So, some of you maaring may bagong opportunity to be your own boss or your own leader. And also maaring merong training opportunities rin sa'yo. Oo, baka meron kang kailangan mong mag-train for something that will improve your skills, your talents, your abilities. So yung recent past nyo is the Death card. This is also your energy. may transformation na naganap, no? Merong new beginnings, may endings. So I think as an opportunity na the Fool, that is a new beginning. So with the Death card here, in the recent past, something has ended. So this can be ending a career or a project, a business. And then this is your present. The Strength card. Ayan. So ito yung power mo. You are powerful, you are strong to face any challenges. Okay? You have the courage that you need para magtagumpay. And your near future energy. Page of Swords. Meron talagang learning sa inyo, Scorpio. This can also mean merong parating na balita or message sa inyo na matagal nyo nang inaabangan. But for some of you, in the near future, meron kang kailangang pag-aralan na mag-enhance ng iyong galing, ng abilidad mo, ng talino mo, para mas mapaunlad mo yung iyong sarili. So, let's see what else. Scorpio. Healing wisdom is surfacing. Stop and listen. Healing and wisdom. So, you're healing from your past, healing from, pwedeng physical pain. And, I think, you will try other, parang spiritual healing for you. You will try different forms of divination to help you heal from your past, and especially spiritual healing. A wise woman. A change is coming. Change is coming. With the Death card here, I think whatever change this is, ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng bagong experience, bagong excitement. And this will lead you to a new, parang like parang kumbaga sa sa taekwondo. Nag-increase yung mo, yung belt mo. Black belter ka na ganon. Okay, let's see your ito yung self-care mo. Ano yung self-care for Scorpio? Shine. Yes, you are going to shine. Don't dim your light. The world needs your unique talents and gifts. Shine brightly. Ayun na nga. Siyempre, yung iba ayaw ng competition. Pero, meron namang healthy competition, diba? Kailangan daw ng mundo ang inyong talents and gifts. So, wag mong pigilan ang iyong pag-unlad, or kumbaga yung iba kasi mahiyain no? So, if you have the talent, meron kang kaalaman, share it to others kasi mas doon ka makikilala. The world needs your unique talents. And you're going to shine bright. I feel like may teacher energy sa inyo. It's like you are sharing your knowledge, your ideas to others na nakakatulong rin sa kanila. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.